Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be different from what you've seen about the Puget Systems Peak Mini. Give me just 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 setups and put together a 200+ page research doc covering every decent compact workstation out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time on stuff you don't really care about just to make this video 15 minutes long, I'm going to straight up tell you which ones are the best compact workstations like the Puget Systems Peak Mini right now, and share a few things about each that actually matter, so you can pick one and move on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll leave a link in the description so you can grab my whole research doc for free and read it at your own pace. No joke. Let's jump right in. Top 3 compact workstations like the Puget Systems Peak Mini and why. First, the Puget Systems Peak Mini itself is seriously hard to beat for compact power. Why? First, it's built with high-end parts but fits in a tiny form factor. Super important if you want muscle but no desktop footprint. Performance-wise, it's literally one of the most powerful mini workstations I've tested. Great cooling, no throttling, and very low noise. Features? It offers awesome customization, professional-grade parts, and solid build quality. You name it, it's there. Pricing and support? It's premium priced, but worth it. Plus, support is top-notch and really responsive. Customization? Absolutely. You can configure almost every part. Overall, super compact, powerful, quiet, and ultra-reliable. Perfect if you want workstation power in a mini package. Downsides? Price is steep, and sometimes availability is limited. Second best compact workstation is the Asus ProArt PA90. Why? It's a straightforward rig that prioritizes performance and reliable thermals. Performance? Incredibly fast with great graphics options. Perfect for 3D rendering and design tasks. No overheating, just smooth running. Features? Packs all the essentials for creators. Thunderbolt 3, professional GPUs, and a toolless design for easy upgrades. Pricing and support? Often better value than the Peak Mini but still delivers strong specs. Support is decent and speedy. Customization? Moderate. Some parts are replaceable but fewer options overall. Downsides? Slightly louder under load, and the design isn't as compact. Overall, a clean, powerful, and reliable workstation that gets the job done with less fuss. Third best is the HP Z2 Mini G5 workstation. Why? Offers a huge range of configs and the most aggressive pricing among mini workstations. Performance? Very good. Tons of options let you pick exactly what fits your workflow. Features? Loaded with professional-grade CPUs, GPUs, and ISV certifications to assure software compatibility. Pricing and support? Usually more wallet-friendly than competitors. Support is solid and professional. Customization? Very flexible with lots of upgrade paths. Downsides? Cooling can get a bit loud sometimes and the chassis feels less premium. Overall, a reliable, affordable, and versatile mini workstation. The best pick if you're on a budget but still want power and flexibility. And that's it. My top 3 picks for compact workstations like the Puget Systems Peak Mini, Puget's Peak Mini, Asus ProArt PA90, and HP Z2 Mini G5. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick based on looks or brand preference, you'll be more than fine. They just work perfectly as compact powerhouse desktops. Quick recap if you're still unsure, go with the Puget Systems Peak Mini if you want the absolute best mini workstation with a premium feel, max customization, and powerful, quiet performance. Pick the Asus ProArt PA90 if you want a simple, high-performance, compact workstation that balances power and ease of use. Choose the HP Z2 Mini G5 if you're on a budget but still want a powerful mini workstation with tons of configuration options. My job here is done. I gave you the answers so you don't have to waste your time. I've dropped exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below. Grab the best price available. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one and let me know in the comments which you went with. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.